Trauma is tough. It can hit you out of nowhere, leaving you feeling like the ground has been pulled out from under you. The weight of it can be overwhelming, making it hard to breathe, hard to think, hard to move forward. It's a heavy burden that can feel impossible to carry. It leaves scars, visible or not. These scars are reminders of what you've been through, of the battles you've fought. Some scars are on the surface, easy for others to see, while others are hidden deep within, invisible to the outside world, but felt intensely by you. These scars tell a story of survival, of resilience, of strength. You might feel broken, lost. The world around you might seem like a different place, unfamiliar and unkind. You might struggle to find your way, to understand who you are now. The pain can be isolating, making you feel like you're walking this path alone with no one to turn to, no one who understands. It's okay to not be okay. You are not alone. There are others who have walked this path before you, who have felt the same pain, the same confusion. Reaching out for help, whether it's through therapy, support groups, or friends and family, can make a world of difference. It's a sign of strength, not weakness, to seek support and to lean on others when you need it. Trauma can change how you see yourself. You might blame yourself. You might feel unworthy. These feelings are common, but they are not the truth. You are not defined by what has happened to you. You are not to blame for the pain you've endured. It's important to be kind to yourself, to recognize that you are doing the best you can in a difficult situation. These feelings are real, but they don't define you. Healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. Allow yourself the space to feel, to grieve, to process. Healing is not a linear journey. There will be ups and downs, good days and bad days. But with time and with self-compassion, you can find your way to a place of peace and acceptance. You are on a journey. This journey is unique to you, and it's important to honor your own pace. There is no right or wrong way to heal. What matters is that you keep moving forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. Each step you take is a testament to your strength and your determination. Every step, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate your progress, no matter how insignificant it might seem. Each small victory is a building block, a step towards reclaiming your life and your sense of self. Recognize the courage it takes to keep going, to keep fighting, to keep believing in the possibility of healing. You are stronger than you think. The strength you have shown in surviving trauma is a testament to your resilience. You have faced unimaginable pain and have come out the other side. This strength will carry you through the healing process. Believe in yourself, in your ability to heal, to grow, to thrive. You are capable of more than you know, and your journey is a testament to the incredible power of the human spirit. Trauma can cast a long shadow. It whispers doubts in your ear. It tells you you're not good enough, not worthy of love. These whispers are lies. Trauma distorts your perception. It makes you believe things that aren't true. Remember who you are. You are worthy of love and happiness. Don't let trauma define your self-worth. You've survived. That in itself is a testament to your strength. You are a warrior. Acknowledge your resilience. You've faced darkness and come out on the other side. You are stronger than you realize. Embrace your scars. They are a reminder of your battles and your victories. They tell a story of courage and survival. Healing is not a race. It's a journey of small steps. Start with something manageable. Maybe it's taking 5 minutes for yourself each day. Maybe it's writing down 3 things you like about yourself. Celebrate each step. Every act of self-care, no matter how small, is a step towards healing and self-love. Section 5. Mindfulness, a moment for you. In our busy lives, we often forget to take a moment for ourselves. This is your reminder to pause, breathe, and be present. Mindfulness is about being present. Notice your breath. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling you with life, and then gently leaving your body. Each breath is a reminder that you are alive, here, in this moment. Feel your feet on the ground, the connection to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots growing from your feet, grounding you, providing stability and strength. Observe your thoughts without judgment. Let them come and go like clouds in the sky. Each thought is just a passing visitor, not a permanent resident. Mindfulness helps calm the storm within. It brings clarity and peace, allowing you to navigate through life's challenges with a calm and centered mind. It allows you to connect with yourself, to understand your true feelings and desires. In this connection, you find your true self, free from the noise and distractions of the outside world, to listen to your needs. What is your body telling you? What does your heart desire? Take this moment to truly listen. Start with a few minutes each day. Find a quiet space, close your eyes and just breathe. Let go of any tension in your body. Allow yourself to relax completely. Be present in this moment. This is your time, a moment for you. Embrace it fully and carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, and with each moment of presence, you are nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Section 6. Kindness to yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a loved one. Be gentle with your heart. Forgive yourself. You did the best you could with what you had at the time. Let go of self-blame. Speak kindly to yourself. Use affirmations to counter negative self-talk. You are worthy of love and compassion. Section 7. Seeking support, finding strength. In times of struggle, it's essential to remember that you are not alone. There are people around you who care and want to help. You don't have to do this alone. Reach out for support. Whether it's a family member, a friend, or a professional, there are many avenues to find the help you need. Talk to a therapist, a counselor, or a trusted friend. These individuals can provide a listening ear, offer advice, and help you navigate through your emotions. Sharing your story can be healing. When you open up about your experiences, you allow yourself to process your feelings and gain insights that you might not have considered before. It can help you process your emotions and gain a new perspective. Reflecting on your journey, whether through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a moment to breathe, can provide clarity and peace. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It takes courage to admit that you need support and to take the steps necessary to find it. It shows you're committed to your healing journey. Just like climbing a mountain or walking a path in nature, the journey to healing is a step-by-step process. Each step you take brings you closer to a place of strength and resilience. Community and connection are powerful tools in the healing process. Being part of a supportive group can provide a sense of belonging and understanding. Sometimes expressing your thoughts in writing or reading about others' experiences can offer comfort and guidance. Engaging in activities that promote self-discovery and growth, such as workshops or creative pursuits, can also be incredibly beneficial. Physical activities like yoga or walking can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, every small step you take towards seeking support and finding strength is a victory. Celebrate your progress and be kind to yourself. Cherish the moments of connection and the people who stand by you. They are an integral part of your healing journey. Just like planting a tree or watching a flower bloom, healing takes time and patience. Nurture yourself and allow yourself to grow. Look towards the future with hope and confidence. You have the strength within you to overcome challenges and emerge stronger. Embrace each new day as an opportunity to continue your journey of healing and self-discovery. You are capable, you are resilient, and you are not alone. Section 8. Reframing the narrative. Trauma can distort your story. It can make you believe you are defined by your past. You have the power to rewrite your narrative. Focus on your strengths, your resilience, your capacity for love. Choose to see yourself as a survivor, a thriver. You are not your trauma. You are so much more than that. Section 9. Celebrating small victories. Every step towards healing is a victory. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Did you get out of bed today? Did you eat a nourishing meal? Did you take 5 minutes for yourself? Celebrate it. Acknowledge your strength and resilience. You are moving forward one step at a time. Be proud of yourself. Section 10. Your journey, your pace. Healing is not linear. It takes time. There will be good days and bad days. Be patient with yourself always. Don't compare your journey to others. It's unique. Your pace is perfect for you. Honor your own process. Trust it. Remember, you are worthy of love, happiness, and healing. Keep going. You've got this.